Hi all, I'm Shivani. I welcome you to this session on what is a neural network. An artificial network is the functional unit of deep learning. Deep learning uses the artificial neural networks which mimic the behavior of human brain to solve complex data-driven problems. Now, deep learning itself is a part of machine learning. Artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning are interconnected fields. When machine learning and deep learning aids artificial intelligence by providing a set of algorithms. So, now, what is a neural network? It is a method in artificial intelligence that teaches computers to process data in a way that is inspired by the human brain. It is a type of machine learning process called deep learning that uses interconnected nodes or neurons in layered structure that resembles the human brain. This is how a neural network works. It starts with the input layer that receives input and data. The lines connected to the hidden layers are called weights and they add up on the hidden layers. Each dot in the hidden layer processes the inputs. It puts an output into the next hidden layer and lastly into the output layer. The input layer is the first layer of an ANN that receives the input information in the form of various text, numbers, audio files, images, pixels, etc. Coming to the hidden layers. In the middle of the ANN model or the hidden layers, there can be a single hidden layers as in the case of a perceptron or multiple hidden layers. These hidden layers perform various types of mathematical computation on the input and recognize the patterns that are part of. In the output layer, we obtain the result that we obtain through rigorous computations performed by the middle layer. There are five recognized types of neural networks like single layer feed forward network, multi layer feed forward network, single node with its own feedback, single layer recurrent network, and the last one multi layer recurrent network. And the activation. As we are aware, neurons in neural networks operates in accordance with weight, bias, and their corresponding activation functions. Based on the mistake, the values of the neurons inside a neural network would be modified. This process is known as backpropagation. Backpropagation is made possible by the activation functions since they provide the gradients and error required to change the biases and weights. The very first application of neural network is handwriting recognition. It is an application of pattern recognition through image. By using such concept, we can train computers to read letters and numbers belonging to any language. And we have stock exchange prediction, traveling issues of sales professionals, and image compressions. One of the future of neural networks, integration. The weakness of neural nets could easily be compensated if we could integrate them with a complementary technology like symbolic functions. The hard part would be finding a way to have these systems work together to produce a common result. And engineers are already working on it. And then the sheer complexity. Everything has the potential to be scaled up in the terms of power and complexity. With technological advancements, we can make CPUs and CGPUs cheaper or faster, enabling the productions of bigger, more efficient algorithms. We can also design neural nets capable of processing more data or processing data faster so it may learn to recognize patterns with just 1000 examples instead of 10,000. Unfortunately, there may be an upper limit to how advanced we can get in these areas, but we haven't reached that limit yet. So, we will likely strive it in the near future. Yeah, it's hard to say whether neural net development will continue indefinitely or whether some new, more efficient technology will take its place, but either way, this breakthrough in the field of AI deserves your attention. Thank you.